What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. So this is going to be the brand new series on MongoDB. So MongoDB is another NoSQL database, like most commonly used and one of the most top rated NoSQL document database. Like you can, when I say document database, so it means like it is not a tabular structure. So you can store your data in the form of key value pair. This is the most important and common things like in the JSON format. But I'm not going to go through all details. So my primary and the one of the most important objective is to make you guys familiar with how to use MongoDB with Python, and after that, so we can use some create some sort of web application using Python Django framework, and where we can use MongoDB. So I got like many votes like almost 50% are saying about Flax and 50% are saying about like Django. So I decided that I'll create two application, one with Django, one with Flax. In Django I'll use Neo4j, and Flax I will use this thing MongoDB. Okay, so this is MongoDB Cloud services. I'm not installing anything in my system, so I just opt for this cloud thing, and just quickly go through it. Like this is a collection in MongoDB. Whenever you create database, inside the database there is some sort of table. So in MongoDB that is called collection, and inside the collection you will having your data. So this is one collection. Okay. Okay, so this is kind of let's say this is one of my database like Python test, and inside that there is a collection, and inside that collection I have some record like Ronnie, Rohit, and you see like whenever you create something by default it will get this thing. So this is kind of primary key, so you don't have to worry about that. And after that, whenever you can like whatever is required, you can do anything. Like it is not kind of like schema like constraints are there. You can keep having in one for one record you can have it 10 columns like 10 keys. For something you can somewhere you can have like multiple like more than 10, somewhere you can have two, like this. So this is giving the sort of flexibility see over like normal relational database. But again, I'm not going to compare like the advantages and disadvantages of all those things. But you will get like multiple videos over YouTube, and those are really amazing. If you want to learn about MongoDB, you can just go through that, but I'm not going to all those details. But again, I'll be going to cover all the queries because I'll be definitely using all those queries from Python. So my primary objective is to how to connect MongoDB and with Python libraries, and how you can use from like Python backend. Okay, so let me quickly give it one name like tutorial one. So the next important thing is that okay, this is not going to run actually. mm, oh, it is a mistake done. So before moving forward, we need to have some sort of like library is important in Python, is very rich in terms of library. Pip install, the library name is pymongo. Well, this is done. I think it's working in the backend. Okay, it's already satisfied, that is why. Okay, let's start this thing like from pymongo import mongo client. Then we need to set up the connectivities client, mongo client, and now I have to get this thing from here like mm, to go like let's say database access, or it will be somewhere here. Okay, connect with application. I'm using Python, so let me select Python from here, and then my version is 3.7. So let me just copy paste this thing. Okay, copy. Well, now I have to put it over here. Okay, so this is my username and this is my password. So what I'll do, I will okay. So what I'll do, I have one credential file over. I'm not gonna show you my password. Like if I'm doing something in local, I could like I can show you guys. But this is my paid service on cloud, so I'm not going to show you all those details. So um, let's read from there. So we let's import this thing first. Import CSV with open as F1. Okay, then CSV row equals to CSV dot reader F1 delimiter equals to comma for row in CSV row ID equals to row 0. The first column is row 0 and second column is this. Password is equals to row 1. So that's it. So if I print just for your thing, let me just run this thing first. So it should be Ronnie Das. See, so it means something is coming. So what I'll do now, let me just remove this thing. It is not at all required. So what I'll do, ID thing, yes. Now everything is kind of everything is working fine. I need to just give one name, like for my collection database. This is going to be Python test. Let's see whether it is working or not. Probably I need to give some sort of like double quotes inside that. Yes, definitely some sort of double quotes are required. What I will do, I think probably until this part I need a double quote. Okay, and I think here I need one more double quotes, and I think this will be within one double quotes, and again there will be one more double quotes, and I'm not sure like I think there will be one more double quote from here. I think until this section. Probably I think this should work now, but it is not working. This is interesting. Why this is not working? This is saying invalid syntax. Okay, let me just quickly go through their documentation. Connection. Not sure why this is not working. It should work actually. Just thinking what I did mistake. Not sure, like this is how it should look. Let me open my thing, this over here. Well, this is fine. This is fine. Password is also fine. I'm not sure why this is throwing this error. Mongo client. This is saying invalid syntax. This looks strange for me. Okay, let me just import URL leave. I think I need to parse the password, but not sure. Not sure actually. Let's try this URL leave dot parse dot code. This should work now. Still not working. Password is password. ID this. Not sure what is happening actually. Hmm. This is saying invalid. Not sure. Cluster name MongoDB net. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. No such error. Well, I did a mistake here. This is string, and after that I am just forgot to give this thing. Okay. Now if I run this thing, S connection has been established. So now if I just let's get our database, DB will be like it is kind of client dot get database, like our database name is uh, Python test. So what I'll do, just keep. So there is another way of doing it. You can just, it's a dictionary kind of a thing. So whenever you are doing something with a get command or get method, then definitely it is dictionary. So write this thing like this. So this is also will work. Now the collection, it's a db underscore c equals to db, and the collection name is test collection. Okay. Well, now let's say I would like to get the count. So x equals to how many objects are there. I would like to get the count. So count documents, and let's say this. So ideally it should return 1 2 3. Okay, so this means this is a dictionary. This means like no query has been supplied, so everything will come. So C3. So now if you specify some sort of query, let's say name Ronnie, so it will return only one. Okay, so this is quite uh, like quite few things. Like here we just establish the id and credential, then we establish the connection. Like the documentation will help you from the neo4j Python MongoDB cloud hosting. And after that I'm just using these things. This is database, this is collection, and there I'm just doing some sort of like counting. So the next important thing is that, let's say you would like to find one object. There is something called find one and find many. So if you know your object is having only one element, then definitely we'll get this query. So let's see, like db underscore c dot find one, and inside that if you just return this thing, see, id is this and name is Ronnie, and if you see from the console, id is this and object is Ronnie. So let's say uh, another object, let's say Rohit. So this is came as well. So let's insert one object. Okay, insert one, and let's say I'll give name is again Messi, and let's say okay. So let's run this thing now. Okay, so now if I check this thing whether that object is okay, query has been executed, so probably we can see this here, right? We need to refresh this page actually. Well, refresh. See, 1 of 4. So Messi Argentina has been created. So we can query this thing as well from here. Like let's change this thing as Messi. Okay. See, it's written. No, sorry, I just put in wrong place. Yes, it also can return, but see, Messi object ID is written. So we did very simple things today, like prerequisite, install the prerequisite, we install these libraries like url leave and all, like to pass this thing. Then we just created this connection string. Then after that we establish our database and collection, like to the right object, and after that we just did some sort of like things like counting, then find one element with found one element without any query, find one element with some sort of query, and insert one. Okay, so there are many things we can do it. So in the next video probably I will do something similar. So before going forward, we'll be creating some sort of structure of the course. Like in this video I just created some sort of search and find one object, and find one object with some sort of like query or condition, and I have created one object. So let me just restructure everything, like or else it will be kind of difficult. So count without condition, and after that what I'll do, let's give one thing like name. Okay, find one object and just insert one. Let's give this document called everything is document in Neo4j, and insert. So if you run this thing, if you run this thing again, one more object will be created. So I'm not gonna do that. uh, okay guys, so probably I think I should finish this tutorial. So lots of things, if someone wants to like get everything in same structure, I can do it. So I'm not sure that will be the right idea, so I think this is better to have like this. So let me just okay. Okay, so everything is here. So guys, Like most important things, try to do some sort of practice. Just don't trust on my like videos and tutorial, because I'm just giving you some sort of idea or intuition that will help you to gain some sort of confidence, or some sort of, or it will help you to clear your understanding, or it will just guide you towards some path, or it will just push you towards some path, but not give you some sort of or actual knowledge or actual confidence. You have to do some sort of practice. You cannot just by watching my videos you will not get any knowledge. You have to write the code in your id or notebook or whatever. You have to develop some sort of like understanding among yourself. Try to do some sort of brainstorming with your friends, then it will actually help you. Like no, like some sort of knowledge without practice will not help you. Definitely will forget someday. And in Python there are many libraries, and all libraries are having some sort of like syntax for their methods and all. Yeah, the basic concept is always same, the syntax will be same, but you see like here I'm using this sort of things, and here for like column names I have to give this double quotes. And if you are doing this in Neo4j, I have also some tutorial on Neo4j. Those are not familiar with the Neo4j things and tutorial, those guys are actually can those guys, for those guys I'll recommend you to see those tutorial as well. So Neo4j is one of the like one of the top most like recommended like tutorials for newcomers. Those are actually wanted to start their like career on IT and cyber security and all. So guys, that's all. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and please let us know, have some sort of feedback or comments if you have some sort of suggestion or clarification, or else if you would like to um, have some sort of videos from our side that we should create some sort of tutorial, please do let us know. And also for those guys those are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you should not miss any notification. Every day we are uploading like more than 5 or 7 videos, and so you could understand like we're also working somewhere. And after working for like 9 hours, if you are uploading this video, so it actually like requires some sort of like what you say, uh, like determination and like focus. So I'm doing this actually for you guys, so that people can understand or learn some things. Okay guys, so till now the support is awesome. Within 4 months, 4 or 5 months, we reached 1500 milestone. Our channel has been monetized within 3 months. So this is kind of a big achievement. I'm not saying I'm very proud, but I'm actually happy with all these things, and it is actually keep inspiring me, because every day after uh, waking up in the morning, when I see there are 10 subscriber more, I'm getting only 10 or 20 subscriber per day, but it's fine. I'm okay with that, because I know this is a right track I'm following. So guys, thanks for your support, and hope I will get the same from you guys in future as well. So till then, take care, goodbye. If you have any question, do reach out to me anytime from our Facebook channel via direct email, or anywhere, LinkedIn or YouTube comment, anywhere. So guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and do practice.